Brooklyn Beckham, 23 and Nicola Peltz, 27, traveled to Saint-Tropez in France for their honeymoon over 2 months after their lavish Florida wedding. The gorgeous couple was seen holding hands while strolling around the gorgeous European commune in the French Riviera on Thursday, June 30th. They made a pit stop during their afternoon outing at Club 55 where they had a romantic lunch. Brooklyn and Nicola were both dressed super fashionable as they always are. The son of David Beckham and Victoria Beckham wore a button-up white shirt and matching pants, along with black sunglasses and white sandals. The Bates Motel actress rocked a hot pink floral maxi dress over a red bikini, plus wedge sandals and oversized sunglasses. Nicola had a white handbag over her shoulder and held a shopping bag from the boutique Isabelle Françoise. Guess the couple got some shopping in before lunch. Brooklyn and Nicola tied the knot in front of their friends and family on April 9, roughly a year and a half after Brooklyn proposed in July 2020. Nicola supposedly wore a Valentino dress to the nuptials, which was attended by A-listers such as Gigi Hadid and Tom Brady. Shortly after tying the knot, the new Mr. and Mrs. made an appearance at the 2022 Met Gala in a pair of stunning Valentino ensembles. In late May, Brooklyn revealed a new tattoo on his upper right arm of his wedding vows that he shared to Nicola on their wedding day. The ink, which is written in black cursive, reads in part, "I promise to be the best partner, the best husband and man, and to always take care of you, to make you laugh, feel safe and more importantly love. I can't wait to live out our dreams together and have lots of babies and be yours forever because you are forever mine." Brooklyn and Nicola used to live in a mansion worth $11 million in Los Angeles. However, the couple decided to sell their abode before their wedding and relocate to Miami to be closer to both their families.